everybody, welcome back to my channel Shade and Shine, and if you're new to this channel then please don't forget to subscribe and also please watch this video till the end, and if you liked it please hit the like button. And guys, really this means a lot guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. This really means a lot. Thank you so much everyone. So yeah, I promised you all that I'll be coming up with a winter collection, that is Sarojini winter collection video. I have posted one story in Instagram, so whoever are following me there, you might know. So here is the handle, please don't forget to follow me. And yeah, you might know, like I have promised you that I'll be coming up with that video. Yes guys, I'm working on that, and that will be getting live very soon, maybe by the end of this week. So in the meantime, here is a video for you all. This is a review video. Like I review the products which one I feel is really useful. I review it after trying it myself. So this is the product which one I have been trying from last 1 or 2 months I believe. So yeah, this product I really found it useful. This is a newly launched product, and yeah, specifically this is useful for this winter. So I think you got a hint of this, and it's a light moisturizer. I think most of you by this hint you might you have come to know maybe which product I am going to review. Yes, if you are guessing it's Pond's light moisturizer, then yeah, that's right. So this is the product which one I'm going to review today. So I have been using this from quite a long time. As I have mentioned, it's been 1 or 2 months. So I really found it useful because in this winter you feel your skin, it gets dry, and I am giving this review based on my skin type. I have somewhat oily skin, oily to combined skin. So in the winter I feel the dryness. So this is a rescue to that. You can use this, and also there is one more product that was launched, that is I think super light moisturizer. So you can go for that too as well. If you are having oily skin, too oily skin, then maybe you can go for the other one, but the rest you can first try this. So this is lightweight, non-oily, fresh feel for soft and glowing skin. This has vitamin E and glycerin. The other launch, which is very light moisturizer, I think that does not have vitamin E as far as I can remember. You can purchase from any store online, or the stores nearby you, nearby your home, nearby your place. So yeah, I purchased this from Nykaa. You can purchase from any stores. So if you want, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can check that out. You can click on the link and go to the purchase site of this. I will try to find the link for Amazon as well. So yeah, let me also tell you the cost of this. This is for retail price 115, and the weight is, it's for 75 ml, or in gram it's 74 gram. So net weight is that much what is mentioned over here. And yeah, let me show you the packaging. This is kind of tough kind of design, as you can see. After that you have this paper, this falling kind of paper, and inside you have this. So let me just take a slight amount and show you. Let me just take in my hand. The formula is kind of this, but it's really very light. When you just massage in your face, or yeah, in your hand, when I'm massaging, after some time you will find like it just dries up. Without feeling any greasiness, your skin will stay moisturized, and also you won't find that dryness, that itching or like dryness you will find, right? So yeah friend, that's it for this video. Please give this a try and let me know in the comment section below. And also those who were able to guess this product in the first 1 minute 30 seconds before I reveal about this product, so let me know, like you got to know about this product by knowing the hint that I gave you. So if you got to know that product in the first 1 minute 30 seconds, there I have not revealed about the product. I was just giving hint and was also letting you all know like about my previous video and all. If you got to know about the product in that 1 a minute 30 seconds. So please let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, you can let me know, like, yeah, I got to know before you reveal the product. So something you can write in the comment section below. So yeah friend, that's it for today. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, please stay connected. So until my next video, bye bye, see ya with lots of love.